Today, we're diving deep into a simple yet incredibly effective exercise that has been gaining attention for its profound benefits on core strength and aesthetics. Yes, we're talking about the stomach vacuum. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of this exercise and guide you through the proper technique to get the most out of it. So, what exactly are the benefits of performing stomach vacuums? Well, let's break it down. Improved core strength. First and foremost, stomach vacuums are fantastic for improving core strength by specifically targeting the transverse abdominis, which is the deepest layer of abdominal muscles. This exercise helps to strengthen your core from the inside out. A strong core is not only essential for maintaining good posture and preventing lower back pain, but also plays a crucial role in overall stability and balance. Enhanced waistline definition. Another significant benefit of stomach vacuums is their potential to enhance waistline definition. Regularly practicing this exercise can lead to a tighter and more toned midsection by reducing the appearance of bloating and improving muscle control. So, if you're aiming for that coveted hourglass figure or a trimmer waistline, incorporating stomach vacuums into your routine could be a game changer. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's talk about how to perform a stomach vacuum correctly. Find a comfortable position. Start by finding a comfortable position to perform the exercise. You can either lie on your back with your knees bent or stand upright with a slight bend in your knees and a straight spine. The key is to ensure that your body is properly aligned and relaxed. Inhale deeply. Next, take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with air. Allow your chest and ribcage to expand fully as you inhale. Exhale completely. Now, slowly exhale all the air out of your lungs through your mouth, focusing on pulling your navel in towards your spine. Imagine trying to touch your belly button to your backbone as you contract your abdominal muscles. Hold and contract. Once you've exhaled completely, hold this contracted position for 10 to 20 seconds, or as long as you can comfortably manage. Focus on drawing your belly button in as close to your spine as possible while maintaining a steady breath. Release and repeat. After holding the contraction, release and allow yourself to breathe normally for a few seconds before repeating the exercise. Aim to perform 3 to 5 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, gradually increasing the duration of each hold as you advance. And there you have it, folks. The stomach vacuum is a simple yet powerful exercise that offers a multitude of benefits for your core strength and physique. Whether you're looking to sculpt a more defined waistline or strengthen your core from the inside out, incorporating this exercise into your routine could be the secret weapon you've been searching for. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tutorials. And as always, remember to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise regimen. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.